We're at the FOST Munich, and the theme of the event is really Industry 4.0 thanks to APIs enabling AI and agent orchestration.
The idea is to find kind of best practices and automate how we can analyze it in order to build more faster APIs, but also more resilient and more efficient APIs.
The biggest challenge that people are talking to me about is actually trying to implement the theory into practice when everyone just wants the results to be as fast as possible.
So today I was talking about scalability around APIs. So I brought what I have learned over the period of time. I have brought what are the real pain around scalability of API.